Hi guys, in this video we will learn about java.lang.OutOfMemoryError. Okay, understanding out of memory exceptions in Java. In Java, all objects are stored in the heap memory. They are allocated using new operator. The out of memory error exception in Java looks like this. Exception in thread main java.lang.out of memory error. Java heap size. Okay, usually this error is thrown when the Java virtual machine cannot allocate an object because it is out of memory and no more memory could be made available by the garbage collector. Out of memory error usually means that you are doing something wrong, either holding onto objects too long or trying to process too much data at a time. Sometimes it indicates a problem that out of your control, such as third-party library that cache strings or an application server that doesn't clean up after deploys. And sometimes it has nothing to do with the object on the heap. The java.lang.outOfMemory error exception can also be thrown by native library code when a native allocation cannot be satisfied. For example, if swap space is low, let's understand various cases when out of memory error might occur. Symptoms or root causes. To find the cause of a text of exception, include a detailed message at the end. Let's examine all the errors. First, error 1. A Java heap space. This error arises due to the application that make excessive use of finalizer. If a class has a finalize method, then objects of that type do not have their space reclaimed at garbage collection time. Instead, after a garbage collection, the objects are queued for finalization, which occurs at a later time. Okay, the following example of out of memory errors. Okay, we can see the Java heap space. That's it for this video. Thank you guys.